How to hide like count on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and then go to the post or picture that you want to hide the likes count on. Say for example this one. Now, as you can see at the bottom left, it displays the number of likes. So in order for you to hide that number, all what you need to do is click on the three dots at the top right corner of the post, and from the pop-up menu just click on hide like count, and as you can see the like count has been hidden and it does not show the number. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide the likes number on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.